and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 4 steps to make your recruiting easy in your network marketing business. And hello, my name is Zama Gunene and I run the Unemployables Club, a group of people who believe that a job is not the only way to make money. And if you are new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe, because I do drop a new video every week on Tuesday on how to run your business online. And if you're looking for efficient ways to run your business, your network marketing business specifically online, then you are in the right place. So let's get right into it. Yay! Okay, so the first thing, more times than not, people ask me that what is it that I do on a daily basis inside my network marketing business, because I run my I'm a full-time network marketer. So this is my profession, this is my career, so this is what I do every day. Now the first thing that I tell people is that, like the video that I did last week was all about prospecting and all of that. Now, once you have prospected and you start doing your conversations and you're talking to your people and you're gaining rapport and you're warming up to them, you start asking them the right questions. Eventually, you're going to get to a place where you now have to invite. Remember, you are talking to this person because you want to invite them to your business, right? You're prospecting, you're recruiting, you're looking for people, you're looking for a network, you're building a team. So eventually the end goal of you talking to people is eventually inviting them. So these are the 4 steps that I use every day with anyone that comes into my list and I am talking to. The first thing that you need to do is to invite them to a presentation. That's the first step. So you would ask something like, so you've spoken with, let's for argument's sake, let's say you've already told them about a business and they show interest, and you're like, okay, so if I invited you to a presentation online, would you make the time to actually attend with us? And then you send them a link, right? So now this is where people don't get it. You never ever explain anything over WhatsApp, over inbox, or over anything. Don't explain it, okay? Don't explain anything. Don't explain the business. I don't care how long you've been in the business. Don't try and explain anything. Invite someone to a presentation, invite someone on a link of a video or whatever it is that you are using to show people what your business is all about. Never try and explain, because first of all, it's a waste of time. Second of all, it's draining, it's overwhelming, because imagine if you're talking to 20 people a day, you're going to be saying the same thing over and over again. Always try to make your life easy by using what's already there inside the business to make your life easy, because remember, we are a lifestyle business. If you're working so hard and you're not enjoying it, what's the point, right? So make sure that you are inviting everyone that you meet or you are talking to a business presentation. That is what I do. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday in my team, we have a Zoom presentation. So I invite everyone to that particular, depending on which day it is, to that particular Zoom meeting. Okay? And it doesn't matter if someone doesn't show up or they don't want to show up. Remember, you are not here to persuade, to force, to beg. You are here to share information. You are simply sharing information. You are serving people, and then if someone needs the information, then you will show them the information. If they're not up for it, then it's okay. There are like 2 billion people on Facebook. Why are you frustrated with one person? Okay, so you send them the invitation to the presentation. The second step is they have to watch the presentation, and you have to ask them, were you able to watch the presentation yesterday evening? And when they say yes, so then you go to your third step, which is your follow-up. So after the presentation the day before, The following day, you will go into the follow-up step. So that's your third step. You follow up, ask them. If they say, oh yeah, I watched it, it was so interesting. So what interested you the most? Okay? Let them tell you what they liked about the presentation. You see? And then you get started. Okay? You sign them up, you register, and voila, you have a new sign up. It's about this. Obviously, the prospecting part is the hardest. But once you get someone inside your, remember, it's about numbers. Our business is about numbers. It's about getting people and showing them the information. Some people will buy into it, some people won't. So your most frustration part should be getting people, prospecting people, and then once they're here, you just simply send them here. This should not be hard for you. This part should not be hard for you because you already have the steps in place and you already know what to do. You have the support of your uplines. You have your support of the videos that are provided in your back office with the mini presentation. You can send them links, referral links, whatever it is. But the person that you are sending the presentation to or inviting to the presentation should be responsible enough. It's their responsibility to actually watch the presentation. It's their responsibility to want, because think about it, you do not want to be working with someone you have to beg and push all the time, because now they're going to sign up and they're like, you said that is why people end up lying and saying, oh, you're going to make so much money, and then over exaggerate everything. But if you come in and you're like, I'm sharing this with you and this is how you're going to get the information, and then you follow up and you continue having the casual conversation of what is it that you enjoyed the most in the presentation, then they will let you know what it is, and then you follow up telling them what is it, asking them what is it that they want to do. Are they in or they're not? Is it a no for them? Deal with their objections, deal with their questions, and then get your answer. Are they interested or not? And you move on. Remember, guys, business is all about conversations. Okay? Conversation. If it's a no, it's a no. If it's a yes, it's a yes. And nobody has to feel bad about what's going on. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video and you learned something from it and you got value from it. I am going to leave a link of the Unemployables guide on how to run a business online on the comment section. I hope you also have value on that. And if you feel like this had value and there's someone who can be able to, get value out of this, who needs this kind of information, make sure that you share this video. In any way, I will see you guys on my next video next week right here. Okay, I can't say same time, same place because it might not be the same time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. I thank you so much for watching, and peace.